Ever felt like you've hit a brick wall with your business? Like you're juggling too many balls and they're all starting to drop? You are not alone. Every entrepreneur, from the fresh-faced startup owner to the seasoned business veteran, encounters problems. It's part of the game. But imagine if there was a guide, a helping hand that could assist you through these challenges. For the past 9 years, a solution has been provided for every business problem you can think of. From the infancy stages of logo creation, digital business card, brochure, catalog, product design, and advertising material, printing, to the mature stages of digital marketing and lead generation. From obtaining the necessary licenses and permits for your shop or store to ensuring compliance. Whether it's finance, accounting, or business automation, every level of your business can benefit from the right guidance and cost-effective support. Imagine you're at the starting line of your business journey, a tad overwhelmed with the magnitude of the task ahead. Creating a brand identity is your first hurdle. A logo, a name, a tagline. It might seem simple, but these are the pillars that will support your brand's image. A solution. A team of creative thinkers ready to brainstorm and design a logo that captures the essence of your business, and advertising material that speaks your brand language. Then comes the digital era's boon, or bane, depending on how you look at it. Digital marketing, social media content, WhatsApp marketing, Facebook or Instagram posts. It's a vast, ever-changing landscape that can be a goldmine if navigated correctly. SEO, social media, email marketing, content marketing. It's a lot to take in. But what if there's an expert navigator? A guide who knows the ins and outs of the digital marketing world, ready to lead you towards your treasure, your leads. But it's not just about creating a brand and generating leads. There's a whole central and state licenses, permits, and compliance. Your GST registration and file, trade license, professional tax, income tax file, food license, etc. It's a world that can be incredibly confusing and time-consuming. But what if there was a way to cut through the red tape? A guide to help you obtain the necessary licenses and permits to ensure you're on the right side of the law. And let's not forget the backbone of every business, finance and accounting. Keeping your books in order, ensuring every penny is accounted for can be a Herculean task. But imagine having a financial wizard on your team, an expert who can make sense of the numbers, help you make informed decisions about your business. In the end, it all boils down to one thing: business automation, streamlining your processes, making your business run like a well-oiled machine. It's the ultimate goal, isn't it? And guess what? There's a solution for that too. A system that can automate your business, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters: growing your business. So there you have it, a solution for every stage of your business, from conception to maturity, from design to marketing, from compliance to finance, from automation to growth. It's all about having the right guidance, the right support at the right time. Because every problem has a solution, you just need to know where to look. So remember, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned business owner, there's always a solution. A helping hand ready to guide you through your business journey. Because every entrepreneur deserves a chance to succeed, and every business deserves a chance to thrive.